Today, we are entering a very important and essential phase of meta ads, which are also known as Facebook ads. As you know, we are doing a complete and latest course on meta ads. Friends, the most important step is to have a Meta Business Suite account. If it is not there, then you can't create ads without it. So let's understand on the computer screen. I have opened a completely new window and now I will search for Meta Business Suite to access business accounts. When I search, a page will appear on my window like this, facebook.business.meta.com, which is for my Meta account. So here we have opened it completely. Now, here as you all can clearly see that my Facebook page is completely open, my profile, my page, everything is open. Okay. We created a new page teaching you how to create a new account. I have opened the Meta Business Suite in the adjacent window, so I can easily compare it to the one I just showed you. Before I get started, I want to share with you an important update. As we are now starting to run ads, I'd like to take this opportunity to tell you all about the early days of advertising. If you are competing in ads, you'll need a strong strategy. We have to do an analysis of what are the trends these days in creatives, what kind of videos are being made on which platforms. Ads are booming today with multi-platform advertisers competing for attention by seeing each other's ads. Okay, so see here, this is the tool. BigSpy is a tool that gives you access to 9 platforms with variety. You can check it out, use the tool, take a free trial or purchase the basic version. And I've also made a detailed video on this, okay? If you watch it full, then you can learn all about its benefits. This will definitely going to help you a lot if you're truly serious about ads. Along with learning, understand how others in the industry are running their ads and what is happening in different industries. All of this, competitive analysis, research, creatives, everything you can find here. You can learn and get better results in less time with consistent practice and dedication. Let's come back now. We went to a new tab and clicked Get Started on the Meta Suite page. I was eager to begin, so I clicked Get Started. So friends, this will take a little more time, but this small process is happening and it will create our account. Meta Business Suite. You can see here that our account has been created. I will cross it out completely. So now see here. Now you can see MF Digital Agency, which was my page. Okay, here you have it. You can now check out my only business suite at business.facebook.com. You'll find Meta Suite account will look like business.facebook.com. That's the address. Now our full account has been created and is ready. So firstly, like this, you have to create your account. Once the account is created, we will start the further process, show you the features and teach you how to create ads practically. So friends, create the account and we will definitely meet you in the next video.